This is Aphix Wardrobe Management. It's an online solution for managing the provision and procurement of PPE, workwear and safety clothing that integrates in real time with your ERP software. It helps suppliers of uniforms and safety clothing to efficiently manage the process of providing kits or packs to buying companies and their employees as part of a wardrobe management program. This advanced, easy-to-use system makes ordering and reordering of clothing and equipment easy for employees and simplifies the end-to-end procurement process for the buyer. Now, let's take a look at some of the cool features of wardrobe management. With wardrobe management, you can quickly and easily create as many groups as you need. The group information can be entered manually or imported from a spreadsheet. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will do it manually. Groups can be set up for different departments, locations, or companies. However, in this features demo video, we are only going to create two company groups, Company X and Company Y. Now, let's take a look at creating and assigning kits to groups. Ideally, you should name kits after the user you are going to assign the kit to. That way, you will be able to easily and clearly understand your reports, which we will be covering shortly. In this example, we will name the first kit John Smith and the second kit Bill Smith. A kit can be assigned to one or more of the groups that you have created and allocate the correct workwear relevant to that particular group. Smart search functionality makes it easy to find products, either by name or by code. It allows you to add as many items as you wish to a kit. Once you are done adding items to the kit, you can just save it and move on. This solution can save you manual input time by allowing you to copy kits if you wish in order to reuse them for other users. You can also print, edit, or delete kits if you wish. Once you have created and assigned a kit to a group, you can go back into a group and edit it if you need to. With our wardrobe management solution, you have full control of employee expenditure. It allows you to limit the budget allocated to an employee by the number of items they can purchase or the amount of money they can spend on apparel. Now, let's move on to ordering. As mentioned earlier, the product has built-in smart search capabilities, which makes it easy for users to find their kits. They can search by using the name of their kit in order to continue with processing an order. As we see here, they can continue to add items to their cart based on the list of specific products that's in their kit. They can choose their specific address for the products to be delivered, or if urgent, they can choose to pick up the order in store. They can fill out their personal information and finally proceed to a final review before accepting the terms and conditions and placing the order. After they have submitted the order, they can print the order confirmation if they wish to. Now, let's move on to our final section in this video, reporting. The Aphix Wardrobe Management System provides you with a better understanding of users' expenditure by allowing you to view and export reports on user profiles, groups, kits, items, and orders. You can also define the period that you wish to cover. For instance, let's just run a report from June 1st to August 31st. Unfortunately, there is no available data as we have just created our groups. Finally, wardrobe management instantly generates reports and provides you with relevant data. Reports can be downloaded for further manipulation or analysis in CSV format. This concludes the wardrobe management demonstration.